In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up Evernote step by step so you can safely save your notes, notebooks, attachments, and important information before you switch devices, clean up your account, or just keep a secure copy for peace of mind. This is a simple process, but it's really important if you don't want to lose valuable notes later. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the official Evernote desktop app on Windows or Mac OS. This part is important because exporting is best done from the desktop version, where you have full control over your notes and notebooks. Once Evernote is open, decide what you want to back up. If you only want to save specific notes, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click each note you want to include. That lets you select multiple notes at once without exporting everything. If you want to back up an entire notebook instead, click on Notebooks in the left sidebar. Then hover over the notebook you want to save and click the three dots or More Actions menu. This opens the options for that notebook, and it's the quickest way to export a full collection at once. Now from the menu, choose Export. This is the step that creates your backup file. Evernote will ask you what format you want to use, and this is where you should pick the option that best fits your needs. If you choose ENEX, that's Evernote's native format. It's the best choice if you think you may want to import the notes back into Evernote later, because it keeps the content, attachments, tags, and other metadata together. If you choose HTML, your notes will be saved as web pages. This is a great option if you want easy access to read the notes in a browser without needing Evernote installed. It's also useful for general archiving because it's a widely readable format. In some cases, you may also see options to include things like tags or creation dates, so take a moment to check those settings before continuing. If you only want a PDF version of a single note, go back to that note, click the three dots in the top right, or the More Actions button, then scroll down and choose PDF. That's useful when you want a clean printable copy or a simple document you can share easily. Once you've selected the format and reviewed the options, click Export. Evernote will then ask you where you want to save the backup file. Choose a location that's easy to remember, like your desktop, documents, or ideally a dedicated backup folder on your computer or external drive. After that, click Save. And that's it. Your Evernote backup is now saved. If you're backing up important notebooks, I recommend giving the file a clear name so you can find it later, especially if you plan to make backups regularly. You can also keep copies in more than one location for extra safety. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.